Hello guys, flaky tests are nightmare, but Playwright handles this completely differently. Locators are the centerpiece of Playwright's auto-weighting and data ability. Today we are going to look at how to write bulletproof locators so your test never break on the UI update again. So let's look some of the JavaScript code. In the older framework, we used to have heavily rely on CSS locators or complex XPath to find the elements on the page. Like here you can see we have use CSS locator here, and this is the XPath that we are using here. So previously we were using this CSS locators and XPath. So in the Playwright, CSS and XPath are not the standard or best practices because it may break our script whenever UI changes. If a developer removes that class name, your test fails even though the button still exists on the screen. So when you are using the Playwright, the absolute best way to find something on the screen is by using the getBy role. Instead of searching through messy HTML code, it looks at the page exactly how real human does, like simply asking, where is the button or where is the checkbox? Here is how you can locate sign in button exactly how a user sees it. So in the JavaScript, we can write it as so this is the standard practice that we should use in the Playwright. So even if the underlying HTML div structure changes or the CSS select class update, this locator survives because the button's accessible role and the text remains same. Playwright comes with the multiple built-in locators. If you are dealing with the forms, most form controls usually have dedicated labels that could be conveniently used to interact with the form. Let's say we have form and there are some different variables or attributes on the form. We can use like so like this, or if we have the placeholder, we can use getBy placeholder. So every time use this locator when locating for elements that do not have labels but do have the placeholder text. And if you just need to find a paragraph or a span, you can use the getBy text. In the Playwright, it is recommended to use a text locators to find non-interactive elements like div, span or p or etc. So in the Playwright, we should use XPath at the very last option. If we don't have any another option to use as a locator, at the very last we should use the XPath. By shifting to the getBy role or getBy label, your test will become infinitely more stable. So guys, if this video helped you to clean up your code, hit the like button. And in next video, we are going to organize all the locators into the page object design pattern. See you there.